Welcome back to SPON Academy. Today's lesson is how to create a scheduled task to displaying information on the IP digital clock, such as SEC M1101A LED digital wall clock. Before we create the task, we need to change the configuration first. In the basic settings, select User. Click Role Management. Click Edit. Change Schedule Task to Pro and save. We recommend do this with all the roles. Lots of the options will be missing in the schedule task if not. You'll need to log in again for this to take effect. And now, we'll learn how to configure schedule tasks for IP digital clock. Log into the XC9000 webpage. Let's check out our terminal status. As you can see, I've already configured the IP clock online to the platform. Now let's go to the schedule task and create a new scheme for the time display task. Select the scheme and add a new task by clicking Add. Enter the task name and add a trigger. For the time display task, the trigger is when to push the task to the clock, as this task only needs to be activated once before you want to make any changes to the text. I'm going to set it to 0 hours 0 minutes and 0 seconds daily, so that it can update its information every day at 12 o'clock. Now let's add an operation. Change the operation to command, and command type to Polish info. Select the IP digital clock terminal on the right. Now, there are total 6 types of display format. We'll be demonstrated these display format one by one. Let's start with text only by simply entering text in the send content box. If the text is too long to fit on the screen, you can make it scroll to left or right by changing the effect here. Here, I'm going to change it to move to left. You can also change the scrolling speed as well. A higher number means slower. Finally, remember to change the display publishing duration. If you want it to display non-stop, change it to always. After saved, click on this button right here to push the task manually. Now let's see the result. Now let's try the date countdown by editing the task operation. Select the end date right here and click countdown. A default message will be generated. End date equals the 30th of November 2024 is the number of days before the date we just selected. You can add text before or after this format. Let's see what it looks like. Next, Elle will show you how to display this text in the date or time at the same time. In display content format, you can select the location of the text or time and date. We can also set date or time format as we like. For now, we don't need to change the text, as this countdown information is also text as well. As my current device doesn't support this feature, it will show the time or date after the text disappears. Now I'm going to show you the video of these two effects. Finally, I'll show you how to display the date and the time at the same time, or separately. Go back to the task setting in the information release settings menu and change display publishing duration to none, or it'll still gonna display the text we set before. Select default display settings. On the left, default display content format. You can choose to display the time or date, or both. Still, my device doesn't support displaying them simultaneously, so it will switch between time and date. And on the right, you can select time or date's format. Remember to change the time duration. Here's the result. In this video, we have learned how to display different information for the IP digital clock with scheduled tasks, including text, time, and date. That's all for today's lesson. For more information, please visit our website www.sponcom.com. Thank you for watching.